welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I'm going to go over a skincare treatment that I find incredible. As we grow older, our skin loses its elasticity, and also for me, I've noticed literally within 6 months, my skin has become incredibly dry. I could show you how dry my skin is. It's unbelievably dry. I've also noticed that I've gotten a lot of dark spots, and this is all because as women, our estrogen drops drastically after we stop menstruating. So within 6 months time, the change of your skin structure is so drastic that a lot of women are just in complete dismay. They're like, why is this happening? Literally 6 months ago, my skin did not look like this, and you're not losing your mind. It's true. Your skin didn't look like this 6 months ago. It is drastically, your estrogen is drastically dropping, and so is the structure of your skin, unfortunately. I haven't started my hormone replacement therapy yet because I'm a little bit reluctant. I want to make sure that it's the right choice for me. I really actually want to do it. I'm just a little bit scared. Hopefully I'll do it soon. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Let me get to what this video is about. It's not about hormone replacement, and it's definitely not about any of that stuff. It's about dry brushing your skin and how good it is for your skin. So I have this product, and in this little box comes this little instruction manual, and with it comes the 4 products. So one is the dry brush, and then you're going to have the other components. So this is number 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So you get these 4 things inside the box and the little instruction manual. So what you're going to do is very simple. And first off, I'm going to show you how this is just like nothing that a woman would want to show, but hey, it's part of life and I'm here for it. So my skin has become crepey. I never had this. I always had very strong arms and very tone, but unfortunately, if I'm like this, you could see it's gotten saggy. Here it's gotten excessively crepey out of nowhere. So my plan, dry brushing it and working out more, eating more protein, getting healthier, and start doing a very intense regimen for my skin, and maybe include hormone replacement. We'll see about that. Today, I'm just like, I didn't even drink a lot of coffee and I'm just rambling on. But anyway, for today, I'm going to show you how simple it is to do this. So once you take your shower, you don't want to press really hard because you'll hurt yourself, but you definitely could see the dry skin flaking off, and you want to do upward motion. You're going to start on your feet and go up, but I'm just showing you my arms for today. The blood is circulating, or it's making your blood circulate. Whew. Look at how dry that is. See how dry it is. So once you've used your dry brush from all the way from your feet all the way up to your neck, everything, your whole body, then you're going to get in the shower and you are going to use the body wash. I use one of these to continue the circulation and scrubbing all those dead skin cells off of you, dry skin. And then you are going to use the sugar scrub. After the sugar scrub, towel dry, dry off, and then your last step would be the body lotion. I'm going to show you that this lotion is incredible. You only need a little bit and it actually moisturizes. Look at this. I'm showing you their recommendation of the steps on this side of my arm. So for me, I'm going to also include vitamin C. I'm going to put vitamin C on this problem area. We're going to see the difference between using the vitamin C and not. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Have a blessed and wonderful day.